Let's make grilled lamb for the Lamb of God. Happy Resurrection Sunday, everyone. My name is Nija. I'm a registered dietitian, and I want to share this recipe I'm making today. We are grilling lamb, but I want to make two different versions. So the first one is going to be like your basic. So it's going to have olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper. I did not record it, but I put thyme. I forgot to turn the camera on. And then a little bit of sea salt. And then the key, we're going to have that marinade, is I just really rub that all in to make sure on the front and back it got that flavor. And then you want to let that sit so you can throw it on the grill. Then next, I had some jerk because I just thought lamb jerk sounds so good. So I did olive oil. Grace's jerk is my favorite jerk marinade because they typically at my grocery store have hot. And I like things spicy. And then I'm just going to keep it simple with the seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme again, and I rub that in. The same thing when I say and I let these marinate for 15 minutes. If I had more time, I would have did longer. These turned out perfect. So my husband was on the grill, and he grilled them to medium. I think medium well. Okay, sorry. He's right here. Medium well. And they turned out perfect. Paired with some homemade mashed potatoes and asparagus. And you guys will see that at the end. What are you guys having for Resurrection Sunday? And have you made lamb before? Give me some tips.